American Academy of Anti-Aging is targeting 400 years for human life. Life extension is targeting 400 years. They are planning, based on biochemistry of aging, to say that if we extend the health of a human body, it can go up to 400 years. I'm not there. I am not planning to live to be 400. The other day I had a radio program and they asked me about Noah, who lived to be 950. Those are different stories.
Yeah.
Different times. Could have happened. We don't know. We would not know what's going on till we get more understanding of the biochemistry of aging. And what happened is that with certain diseases, people age much faster. And we know that now. Before we
Diabetes.
didn't know. Certain genetic diseases.
Oh, genetic stuff.
Yeah,
Of course.
I don't want to name
Yeah,
the
they're very
diseases
specific.
because they're very specific. But diseases like diabetes, now we have type 3 diabetes that turns into Alzheimer's and memory loss, and we can talk about that. The fact is that as long as all the chemical reactions in the body, I should say biochemical, we don't want chemical in the body, but all the biochemical reactions that are happening every minute in every cell, if they function properly, we're gonna be healthy till a longer period in life. Unfortunately, kids get sick. Kids get cancer. That is one area that I would like to very much work with apoptosis. I've talked to St. Jude's Hospital. I've talked to City of Hope to promote apoptosis for kids because apoptosis removes cancer cells. So why don't we use that for children? The mission is to get everyone involved in learning more about what is apoptosis. How do we go there? But let's talk a little bit about telomeres. We all have 23 genes from mother, 23 genes from the father. They generate a chromosome that is the shape of an X. At the end of an X, there are DNA, and those DNAs are like a clasp on your shoelace. As long as that clasp on the shoelace is there, the shoelace does not get into fringes. Once that drops, then we become sick. Life gets shorter. And that is DNA. We know that. So if that DNA is damaged, the telomere gets shorter. The science says, and again, I'm not confirming this because I don't know, but science and research is saying that the longer the telomeres, 35% increase in your life expectancy. 35% is a lot of time. And we know that women get menopause at medium age, statistically is 53 in the United States. Women have a much longer life expectancy. So we live to be 45, 50 years after menopause. During that 45 to 50 years, we can stay young. We can stay energetic. We will not have to age like our grandmothers did or their grandmothers before them. Because my grandmother was 32 when she became a grandmother. I was 30 when I had my son. So
The times are changing, yeah.
times are changing fast. Women now are having children at the age of 40, 45, and they want to live for their children, for their families. So it is important for us to look at every aspect of aging. Look at telomeres because we know more about them now. Look at apoptosis because we know more about them. Look at peptides. Peptides can stop your skin aging, and that is so important.
What's your favorite peptide for that?
Well, I use a combination. I have a serum with a combination of peptides, and it has helped my skin to stay young. And everybody tells me, oh no, we don't want to get wrinkled. And we're reversing. For example, a person may do a facelift. That would work fine. But you cannot keep a healthy skin. Even if you do 10 facelifts, the wrinkles would show. So in order to have a plump skin, not a skin that is like a dry leaf that is falling off the tree, peptides can help. So why not use